Okay, let's talk about the means test. What is the means test? It's what qualifies you for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, and it's also what will assist in determining how much you have to pay back in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy if your income is too high for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, right? So you want the 7, it's a fresh start, you get in, get out, you don't lose anything if you have all your properties exempt, and here in Texas, most times it is. You don't pay any creditors back and you're done in 90 days. So it's the best get out of debt plan, really, is the Chapter 7. Means test will determine if you qualify. They updated it fairly recently. For example, of household of 4, they've got it set at 110,000. What does 110,000 mean for a household of 4? It means like if you rent and it'll figure out how much rent costs for a family of 4 in the county in which you live. That's what they come up with utilities and car insurance and property insurance and everything else. So it's kind of like predetermined. However, there are ways to qualify for bankruptcy if your family of 4 makes more money than 110,000, and those are deductions that are kind of like below the line deductions, if you will. They are reality. These are expenses that you have that are reality that can be added to the means test. Effectively, you can have a household of 4 that makes $175,000 and still qualify for the Chapter 7. It just depends. There's a long list of these things, one of which would be like child support or child care. That's a big one. Out-of-pocket medical expenses could be exceeded beyond the allowed amount. So that would be a more complex means test. And so, if you do think you make too much money, don't think that you for sure that you won't qualify for a 7 until you've talked to an attorney. And we love to go through that formula with clients and find out if they can get the Chapter 7.